All right, as I said, now it's time to talk about mutations. And that means that instead of query, we're going to have mutation. And we can start up right away by opening up the documentation here and going back to the start page. And here we see the root types, query and mutation. And this time we're going to look at mutations. And here we have a bunch of different changes that we then can make. So this is a setter type function, if you want to call it a function. Create engine app, update engine app, create engine user, update engine user. Let's try, for example, the delete engine identity. I think I have quite a lot of identities and some of them are not used. So let's try that. So we need to change this. First of all, let's get rid of all of this and change this to mutation and delete identity. There we go. And then we're going to use delete engine identity, function parameters here, return values here. What do we need to specify? The ID of the identity, and that is this one. Let's do 3027. So ID 3027, and then unlink. I guess that is if it was connected to a game, do I want to unlink it? So let's put true. All right. So what do we get back? We get back the engine identity. So let's just log out the ID and the app ID. Let's do that. Let's see if that works. Let's hit play and see if it works. I haven't done this request before, so we'll see if it works. Yes, we got the response. Let's go back and look at our view identities query and see if the identity 3027 is no longer there. It shouldn't be. 3027, well, it is. Well, that's not good. I thought I deleted it. Maybe it was the unlink part. Let's try to have unlink false. I don't know what that did. Let's try it again. There we go. Let's try view identities. Did it make a difference? Now it is gone. All right. So I assume that when I specified unlink true, it understood it as I should only unlink this identity. I shouldn't delete it. I should only unlink it. If I took false, it just deleted it completely. So you could probably read in the documentation, which I didn't, what it does. But now we know. It deleted that identity. So that's good. Now I have one less identity to worry about. And as you'll see, it's not always like straight on. Sometimes you make a mistake. Sometimes you have to redo things. So you'll see it in real time here. I hope at least you got an understanding of queries and mutations and the structure of the GraphQL programming language or query language, whatever you want to call it, and how you use the GraphIQL interface. So with that being said, let's move on and start working with Engine.